Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. This is Chida. Customer has called me one of the door. It's not closing properly. It's not auto closing. See, if I open it and it's not closing, it should close automatic by itself, but it's not closing. So let's see how to fix it. Very easy way. Then actually there was problem is it's missing. There was one spring, that spring has missing. So let's see how to fix it. The spring, see this door, if I keep open, then very easy way. See, this is the spring. This spring was broken or missing from there, that's why it's not closing properly. See how to fix the spring. So this spring is actually very hard, very strong, so you have to use this method, then only very easy way you can fix this spring. And then just pull it very strongly. Yeah, it's done. Now let's see how is it this door. See, if I open and I leave, then it's automatic close. Automatic close it's by itself. So alhamdulillah, actually it was problem only this spring only. So it's really very easy way to fix it. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.